We start with
Primary
the first
alcohol.
reaction. Primary alcohol reacts with HCl in presence of zinc chloride to give alkyl chloride and water. Primary alcohol reacts with sodium bromide and H2SO4 to give alkyl bromide and NHSO4 plus water. Primary alcohol reacts with phosphorus trihalide to give alkyl halide and H3PO3. Primary alcohol,
Phosphorus acid.
yeah, phosphorus acid.
H3PO, yeah, okay.
Yeah, phosphorus acid. Then primary alcohol reacts with phosphorus pentachloride to give alkyl chloride and POCl3 and hydrochloric acid. Primary alcohol reacts with red phosphorus halogen.
Red phosphorus and halogen
To give alkyl halide. Primary alcohol reacts with sodium chloride to give alkyl chloride and sodium dioxide with HCl. Then later, halogen exchange is known as the Finkelstein reaction. Alkyl halide reacts with sodium iodide in presence of dry acetone to give alkyl iodide and sodium halide. Then later, the synthesis of alkyl fluorides is best accomplished by heating alkyl chloride or bromide in the presence of metallic fluorides such as silver fluoride, mercurous fluoride, cobalt fluoride and antimony fluoride. The reaction formed is known as Schwarz reaction. Schwarz reaction is H3CBr.
स्वार्ट्ज रिएक्शन किसके लिए होता है? फ्लोरीन के लिए।
फ्लोरीन ब्रोमीन।
हाँ, और किसके प्रेजेंस में होता है? अल्काइल हैलाइड रिएक्ट्स विद AgF, सिल्वर फ्लोराइड, Hg2F2, COF2 and SbF3.
Yeah, SbF3. Then H3CBr plus silver fluoride will give H3CF and AgBr.
फिंकलस्टीन में जो हेलोजन रिएक्शंस होती है, हेलोजन एक्सचेंज होता है, वही चीज़ स्वार्ट्ज में भी होता है, बट डिफरेंस इज इट इज़ ओनली फॉर फ्लोरीन, और वहाँ पे क्लोरीन और ब्रोमीन के लिए होता है।
यस सर। सैंडमेयर्स रिएक्शन,
सैंडमेयर में क्या होता है? एनिलीन रिएक्ट्स विद
सोडियम
नाइट्राइड
एंड
मिनरल हाइड्रोजन हैलाइड को हम मिनरल एसिड भी बोलते हैं।
In the temperature 273 to 278 Kelvin will give benzene diazonium halide, which will then react with cuprous halide to give aryl halide and nitrogen.
Yeah, or in case of iodine, it will be benzene diazonium halide react with potassium iodide to
give aryl iodide and
N2 nitrogen.
Yes.
So please one more time please for Sandmeyer reaction.
Aniline reacts with sodium nitride and hydrogen halide in the temperature range 273 to 278 Kelvin, which will give benzene diazonium halide, which then reacts with cuprous halide, which will give aryl halide and nitrogen. When cuprous halide is
especially for iodine, we react benzene diazonium halide with potassium iodide
to form aryl iodide and nitrogen. Then later, Wurtz reaction. Wurtz reaction is alkyl halide reacting with sodium in presence of dry ether to form hydrocarbon and sodium halide. After that, we have Friedel-Crafts reaction. Replacement of
halogenation.
Halogenation. Chlorobenzene plus chlorine in presence of anhydrous FeCl3 will give 1,4-dichlorobenzene and then 1,2-dichlorobenzene. Nitration will
मेजर प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा?
मेजर प्रोडक्ट 1,4-dichlorobenzene.
हमेशा पैरा प्रोडक्ट इज द मेजर प्रोडक्ट, और माइनर जो होता है दैट इज ऑर्थो. क्या क्या होता है? ऑर्थो मेटा पैरा, जिसमें से ऑर्थो इज माय माइनर एंड पैरा इज माय मेजर.
Then nitration reaction, chlorobenzene reacts with HNO3 in presence of concentrated H2SO4 will give 1-chloro-2 nitrobenzene, which is the minor ortho, and 1-chloro-4 nitrobenzene major para. And then sulfonation, chlorobenzene reacts with concentrated H2SO4 in presence of heat will give 2-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid, which is minor, and 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid, which is major. Then we have Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction is chlorobenzene with CH3Cl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, which will give 1-chloro-2 methylbenzene, which is the minor, and 1-chloro-4 methylbenzene, which is major.
Once again Friedel-Crafts, क्योंकि Friedel-Crafts important है.
Yes sir. So chlorobenzene reacts with methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, which will give 1-chloro-2 methylbenzene minor, and then 1-chloro-4 methylbenzene, which is major, ortho and para.
Okay, and para is the major product.
Yes.
Correct. Okay.